Welcome to our in-depth review of the HP Smartchoice Victus 2025 gaming laptop. Is this the beast you've been waiting for? Let's find out. In this video, we're taking a close look at the HP Smartchoice Victus, focusing on its performance, specs, and overall value for gamers and creators. This laptop promises next-gen gaming and powerful multitasking. Let's see if it delivers. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 5 RTX 3050 and a 144Hz display, this machine is built for performance. Let's break down the top specifications that make the HP Victus a compelling choice for gamers and creators. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 58645HS, this CPU offers 6 cores and 12 threads with up to 5 GHz boost. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB GDDR6 memory brings AI-enhanced rendering and ray tracing to your gaming experience. Enjoy smooth visuals on the 15.6 inches FHD IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and anti-glare coating. It comes with 16 GB DDR5 RAM for seamless multitasking and a 512 GB Gen 4 SSD for fast data transfer. How well does the HP Victus perform? Let's dive into its gaming capabilities and overall performance. The latest Ryzen chip isn't just fast, it's optimized for multitasking, streaming, and AAA gaming. The RTX 3050 delivers AI-enhanced gameplay, real-time ray tracing, and high frame rates. Play favorites like Cyberpunk 2077, FIFA 23, GTA 5, and more at smooth frame rates. Let's take a closer look at the display quality and the overall speed of the HP Victus. The 144Hz refresh rate and anti-glare coating ensure vibrant colors and tear-free motion. With 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 512 GB Gen 4 SSD, experience fast app opening and quick boot times. Let's discuss the design aspects and practical utility of the HP Victus. Thermal optimization keeps heat under control, allowing you to focus on winning. The micro-edge bezel design ensures more screen and less distraction, and the laptop is portable at 2.29 kg. Comes with Windows 11 and trial versions of Microsoft 365 and Office 24. Let's talk about the audio quality and connectivity options on the HP Victus. Enjoy rich in-game audio with built-in dual speakers and various I/O ports. Supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless wireless connectivity. No review is complete without discussing the pros and cons. Let's break them down. Pros: powerful Ryzen 5, fast performance, great 144Hz display. Cons: slightly bulky and limited USB ports might require a hub. So what's our final verdict on the HP Smartchoice Victus? Let's wrap things up. Great for gamers, creators, and students looking for a blend of power and value. If you're convinced, buy it now using the link in the description below.